Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. There are many different ways to use social media for education. Social media has a very various uses in classroom as well as to help market and promote school and universities. Because we believe in the power of social media to make nearly anything easier. Even life in the classroom we have identified 12 ways to use social media in education. Social media and technology are an integral part of daily life and integrating the use of these into the classroom is more natural than before, given how acclimated many students are to them. Each social media platform offer many different ways to be used in the classroom, from sharing announcement to holding live lecture and so much more. First, social media provide a smoother, more direct communication tool between student, teacher and parent who can check in and ask or respond to questions. Social media allow for more a learning opportunity as well, as remote job and online classes are becoming more popular, training students to work from a distance as an important lesson, and social media can help with that. It is important to understand the effect of social media as education before using it, but we are of the firm belief that if well help advance student and technology. First, let's talk about the different way that social media can be used directly in the classroom. There are many social media tools for education that can be taken advantage for students of any age, from elementary all the way through college. Facebook can be perfect social media platform to incorporate into the classroom. Instead of putting instructor and the student alike through a new learning survey them, dealing with a traditional online classroom dashboard stack to something everyone already knows. Have students follow the class Facebook page, and the instructor can use it to post class update, share homework assignment, and encourage discussion. Even if a student is not active on Facebook, these pages are still accessible when signed out. However, keep in mind Facebook pages are public and anyone with Facebook account can comment on the post. Instruction can also create Facebook group for each of their classes, both public homework and make class announcement. Keep student engaged during school break or a snow day by posting reminder and assignment to avoid having to review once classes resume from the break. When using social media for education, it's important to ensure a professional boundary. So when setting up a Facebook group, teachers do not need to send friend request, email both parent and student a direct link to the Facebook group of SS. Please subscribe my channel for more news update, and thanks for watching my videos.